Hey Enar, this is Brady. Thank you so much for taking the time to work with me and help me out. So, as I stated in the actual forum post, I'm expecting to see the link layer packet size increase. First, I will show you the default config. As you can see, this is the exact same repository which I attached in the ticket. You'll see same name, please work. This is the complete name, please work this time. I just got rid of this time. You'll see this build is the first one I'll do. We'll quickly take a look. We'll see that this build is using just the default project config, no specific overlays, no snippets, no specific optimization levels, nothing like that. So I'll click build and we will see that it is building. Actually, in fact, when this finishes, I'll do a pristine build just so that we're on the exact same page about where this stands. Again, this is very clearly the exact same code that's in the attached repository. Feels good. And while this is building, you'll notice I'm using, oh, can I get it up there? I can't quite get it up there. I'm using just that NRF 5340 dev kit. It's literally just the dev kit. Okay, while this is building, we'll just be vibing, I guess, chilling together. And again, I'll state it's a Pixel 7 Pro. That's the NRF Connect app right there. And none of my other devices are on, just the dev kit. Okay, so we're definitely connecting to this dev kit. And we'll walk through the buttons that I press together right here in this video. It'll be great. Again, I cannot say thank you enough for helping me out. Okay, so we agree right now that we built this build with the default project config. So when I say default project config, again, this was taken straight out of the Lesson 3, Exercise 2 from the Nordic Devzone Academy. I linked that GitHub, and again, I linked this exact code, so please definitely try it out yourself. Well, notice this has no RTT config, nothing like that. We just built it, so let's go ahead, connect over the COM port to watch this one, and we'll flash it together. We'll see she's flashing, yay, yay. Okay, we're gonna believe that she can flash. And boom, she's there. And so I will stop, continue without saving, and we'll see this is her right here. And then I will scan for my devices. I will see the device on the NRF Connect. I will hit connect. It is now connecting, and boom, we see the expected, well, okay, on the phone, slightly different. 25.1 out of 27. I think this is the receive and then transceive. Regardless, this is essentially expected behavior. We will see completely different, I don't know why the phone actually doesn't accept 27 there, or 251 there. Whatever. Okay, we'll keep going. Important thing is that we saw this. We will go ahead, stop, file, save as, file name. No RTT config, video recording. We'll save it. We will see when we actually go and connect the God, it is so painful to go and find. in here, I think, actually. Control code, we're looking for a link layer length request. It should be under the data header, and then it should be okay, these are for the intervals. Don't care. There we go. Okay. So it's clearly requesting the correct amounts. I am pretty indifferent about the phone's response in this instance because I am actually trying to connect to my own custom application, but unfortunately I do not have full control over the client BLE library. I just don't want to invest the time into writing a custom library, so we'll ignore that. For now, we'll use the phone. The important thing is that we see the correct request to update being made, which we do here. We see the correct behavior, where these octets are 251, as expected. Now we will move on, and we'll go to this candy build. So this candy build, we'll see, is the exact same board, exact same case of no overlays, no specific kconfigs added, no optimization level, nothing different, except this project config. So I will go to Candy, and I will do a pristine build on Candy. Now we'll go and take a look at the config. You'll see it is literally a copy of the previous config. It just has the RTT logging. That is the only difference that we'll see here. So I will close this terminal because I'm pretty indifferent about it right now. And I will say again, thank you so much for helping me. I really appreciate it. And we'll sit here and chill, I guess. I drank a lot of coffee, so sorry for talking so much. Being a little bit jittery. It's just slightly awkward sitting here doing nothing, waiting. But again, same exact code, only difference, the build, and the only difference within the build is that project config with those 4 lines. So now that it has built, let's go ahead and let's flash it. So I will flash, and while doing so, I will start a new trace with the sniffer, and we will see it is flashed, which is exactly what we want to see. And here I am going to observe it over RTT, which is what I would like to do in my actual code base. So we go here, we see it starts up, everything looks correct, which is amazing. And we open up, we do not save this log session because I don't care. I scan again. I see the device again. And I will click connect. And oof, hate to see it. Incorrect behavior. Do not know why. So I'll go ahead and save as. I will save as RTT config video recording. I will attach both of these traces to the ticket so that you may take a look at it as well. But we can go scroll up together right now, as you saw in real time, and we can take a look and see what happened. Really, it didn't even. Okay, that's unfortunate. Well, we'll try that one more time just for fun. Oh, okay, the sniffer killed itself. That's awesome. No packets captured. Nice. Come on, baby. No. And the sniffer is killing itself. Nice. to believe me. Yeah, we'll try it one more time. Unplug, replug. Come on, baby. Okay, we see all advertising devices, so I will disconnect from him. And now we see it disconnects. Yay. And now we'll see it pops back up. Pretty sure it's this guy. And in doing so, I will connect again. And we'll see the same terrible thing happened. And we should be able to scroll up and see that it connected. Yay. So I will save this file, save as, RTT config, save, yes. Okay. So now that it actually saved the incoming packets, we can take a look at it together. Yay. All right. With that said, let's go find the correct packet in the link layer request. So I think it should be called link layer length request. Let's look for that. Length response. Where's the request? Connection parameters. Link layer version. Link layer version. Connection update. It's telling me this server wants to do the max size. We love that. How are you replying before the request? Regardless, that's the phone's response to oh, okay. The sniffer is having a hard time right now. That's what's happening. Okay, we'll try this one last time with the sniffer because the sniffer seems to be struggling just a little bit. So we'll go one more time together. We will disconnect from this guy. We'll allow for all advertising devices. We'll go back. We know that it's him. We see our disconnect happened. So I will go back, reconnect to him. We'll see that it failed. We'll scroll down, find our connection. Find our connection. Good God, how? How are you responding before the request? Connection update, feature request, feature response, length response. Seems the sniffer is having some trouble. Okay, we'll try it one last time. Here, I'll actually save this as well. RTT config video recording. We'll save this as number 3. And we'll try it one more time, just for fun. So, I will disconnect. And we're waiting. And we see our disconnect, as expected. Again, this is over RTT. Alright, we're advertising again, as expected. I will reconnect. And again, we see the incorrect behavior. I'll scroll up. And this time, we actually see the request. Yay! Okay, great. We see the request this time. Good job, little sniffer. In the request, we see the incorrect octet sizes for RX and TX both. Again, the only difference is our project config file. Very unfortunate. I think that'll be enough for this video. I'll go ahead and stop this, save as, and we'll save it as number 4. Actually, we'll save it as correct request, or maybe not correct. Link layer request visible. That's what we'll save it as. And again, I will say thank you so much, Eden. I really, really, really appreciate your time and effort on this. Enar, not Eden, I'm so sorry. I'm sure I'm still butchering your name. I look forward to your response. Goodbye.